to another video. Hope you guys liked our last one. And today we are playing Elevator. And also, if you guys haven't liked, subscribe, and leave a comment, I would love for you guys to do it right now. Just click that like button. It's so easy. You just gotta work that like button. Oh, we're doing the cha-cha. Okay, let's get on to the video. This is kind of
Closed.
Oh, what's happening here?
I do not know.
Okay.
What if I zoom out?
Why are you guys shooting us? Oh, why is there a person there?
Do you want to snitch
What
this?
did you press?
I pressed yes, because I'm guilty.
Yeah, you gon' die.
Die. Come on.
Bye.
Die. Oh, bye. Oh, she fell down.
Oh, she literally just died. You saw her name tag?
Yeah.
You saw her name tag?
Yeah.
Went like, whoop. Oh, look at this guy. Look, he's Marshmallow Guy. We are best friends.
Wait,
Marshmallow Guy. Oh, yeah.
Marshmallow Guy is not my best friend.
Doing the cha-cha.
Does Area 51 have aliens?
My favorite.
I look amazing. Oh my god. I inspired.
Oh, you guys can't hear the music. It's so funny.
I love it.
Music. Oh, yeah.
Look at the noobs bowing down to our king.
Oh, yeah. This is awesome.
Walk quickly.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Be cool like that. Cool kids don't walk quickly, they walk slow.
What's the next floor? In about like 10 seconds, there's going to be the next floor.
I actually really like this game.
I like.
Look at this big cheese over here. Oh, yeah. Stepping on his head.
No, I want to be in it now. I want to get a high score now. Now. Me, now. Me. Oh, Daniel. It's Daniel. Yes. Okay, let's see what the board screen says.
What do we have to do?
You have to look up. There's going to be like a board. What? What do we have to do? Oh, okay. Red, blue, red. Mia, move your character. You have to go on the colors. Gonna lose. I'm winning so far.
Red, green, blue, red, blue.
I'm in the lead, Mia.
Yellow, red, blue, yellow.
Yes. Who won?
You won?
Yeah.
Yay, you won.
What? I was first. I won a badge. You want the dance contest? Yeah, I'm so proud of myself. Let's celebrate this with the hype, because we always hype when we celebrate.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
At the same time.
Oh
Huh?
yeah. Ooh,
Oh no.
cool.
Oh no. I think it's Moto. But instead there's a noob version. I think Moto likes you. I like them big. I like them chunky. I like them nice.
You guys can't hear the music, but this is hilarious.
And big and chunky.
I love this. Ooh, it's scary. Okay. Hey,
Hey.
we have a new friend with us.
Yeah, it's Moto. No, it's Noto, because it's a noob. It's Noto.
Oh my gosh.
Be muscular. Oh, no. Not the rings. Not the ring movie. I hate
Is the
them.
ring?
Yes, she's gonna freaking kill you. She's
No.
coming for us. You see her?
Then run! Come in
She's
the
coming
elevator.
out of the TV.
Oh. What the heck? Oh!
Oh!
Oh no!
That's what?
Oh no! She killed you! Oh no! Oh my gosh! Okay.
Guys, Mia, do you think this is going to be a short video? Because I think this is going to be a short video.
Whoa! Ooh, what's this?
Oh, this is SpongeBob. But
Yes!
SpongeBob gets taken away by that bus. Mia. I think this video is going to be short. Because I got
Oh,
news.
why?
Guys, I got news. Mia and guys, I got news. I got news. What? Huh? Oh, music in the background, even though you can't hear it. Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers on my spine. Spooks.
So silly.
Me. I want to get a chicken hat. Chicken hat.
I want
No!
No! I'm so bad!
Agreed.
Chicken hat.
Guys, but I still got news. If you could see on the camera, I only have Mia. Should we make
What?
it? I have a deal for you. Should we make this a short video, but with good quality? We should, because this video is about to get deleted because
No, why?
I got news. By laptops, but whoa, look at this guy. Guys, I will tell you when this recording will stop, cause I might lose power. Why am I throwing a picture
This
of
is so
me?
cool.
Why are we throwing pictures of us?
Oh, get in the basket. I'm happy of you.
Oopsie! I wish we was a baller. Ooh, I like this music. Yeah. Oh, Moto.
Aw, I really like that. Look, I have a candy bar.
Lucky.
I'm gonna eat it.
What?
I
Why
got a
do?
head on me. Oh my gosh, I want it off. Get off of me. Okay, well, I get to have a hand stuck on my head. That's great. That's real great. Yay.
What is this place? Oh, we're gonna get 2 big cheese.
Oh, that's creepy.
We're gonna get 2 big cheeses. This is husband and a wife marriage.
Ew.
Come
This is
on.
so weird.
Kiss. Kiss, you're in a
Okay,
marriage.
that was a waste of time.
Kiss, you're in a marriage. Or either hold hands.
Maya, stop. This is so weird.
Yes, they're holding hands.
Oh my god.
Yes.
You weirdo. You weirdo.
Look, they're holding hands. Oh, ow, my eyes.
Oh my gosh. This is bright.
I know.
What is this?
Are we in the 90s?
Oh, duck.
A duck? Where duck?
Stay on the side. Stay on the side.
Why?
Train's coming.
Oh! Oh my god, I did.
Oh.
No! Mr. Cheese died! At least Noto didn't die.
Yeah, Moto stay.
Noto. My muscles would look bigger, but my inserts are too long.
Okay.
Yeah, let's not talk about what I do.
Also, guys, go check our Murder Mystery Part 3.
Yes, and please check out my channel, Female Penguin. I do my Gacha videos there, and I'm about to come out with a
Oh my
video.
gosh, what's happening?
What? Oh shoot! It's going narrow. Help me. Door open now. Door open. What the heck?
Oh, no.
Noto, don't die with your beautiful muscles. I have glitched the game. Noto died. His body parts are invisible now. I'm definitely not standing on Noto's body parts. I'm doing magic. Where is it?
Wait, but
Hmm? Oh, I want to become an e-girl. See ya, I'm becoming an e-girl. Yes, I'm an e-girl. Huh?
damn it, I'm gonna become an e-girl as well.
I look beautiful.
This is so funny.
Where are you? I don't see you. Oh, Dad. Yeah. Oh, I died.
I'm an e-girl.
Oh, I'm still an e-girl.
Same.
I love my clothes. I look amazing.
That one was my favorite.
Video's about to end in 2 minutes. I meant in 3 minutes. Shark!
Shark tornado!
It's raining sharks from out of the sky. Sharks, no need to explain.
From out of tornadoes.
No,
Tornadoes. Oh yeah.
no need to explain. Just open your mouth and get killed by sharks. It's raining sharks. Num 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 num. We are sharks. Launch. PC's running low.
Oh no! A shark ate me.
A shark threw me out of the void.
Aww.
Video's about to end. Video's about to end.
Okay, we have to do the outro.
Wait, I want to do more of
Wait,
this.
where are you?
In the elevator. Easy.
Oh, okay. We have to go to the elevator.
Okay, I have to wait in the elevator. Are you here? Is that the elevator?
I'm here.
You here?
Okay, guys. Hope you guys like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Hope you guys love this video about normal elevators. Comment down below if you want to see more of these.
And subscribe to E-Girl Female Penguin.
Bye.
Bye.